Meet Not Not, Long Fur Bliss Shampoo, your pup's best friend against tangles. Our tangle-free formula deeply cleanses without drying, keeping fur soft and healthy.
No more tears? Yep, it's completely tear-free, gentle on my skin for a stress-free bath. No more painful brushing. Now my fur is silky, shiny and oh so smooth. Thank you, Flip and Fetch. Hey friends, you have to try this.